Sin-check ko mga loves if meron ba siyang babae.
What are you doing?
Mga tayo.
We got surprise for Papa. How to drink it?
Kabala na siya magbuhat ng statement. Alam niyo mag-sentence mga loves in
Finish.
English. Very good, very good. Ayan na, ang daming trabaho ni Papa. Meron pa siyang sa MacBook, meron pa siyang sa Facebook. Hi mga loves, good afternoon. Kagigising ko lang mga loves. It's already 4:30 and may tumuko na naman. Hindi talaga ako iniiwasan ng mga tagiyawat na to. But anyway mga loves, I am done with my cooking. Nagluto ako ng merienda. Ta-da! This is pancakes and bacon. So, kakain na kami. Hi! Papa, let's eat! Kakain na kami mga loves. Ha? Kasi gadula. Dali na. Nih. Dota na naman mga loves. Ano ba yan? Dota? O ako. Joke lang. How's your outfit? So you have your...
Cow. A dog. A dog.
Yeah, it's a dog. We're waiting for your Barbie shoes na mag
I want to wear shoes.
We're waiting for a tricycle. No, not yet.
Where's
Say
the
hi.
sheep? Where's the sheep?
I don't know.
It's so dark in here.
My mga loves, we're still waiting for the tricycle.
Wow!
O, diba amazing masyado si
Look at
G7X? Kahit na sobrang gabi na, nakukuha pa rin ang aking feds.
Look at this lemon. See?
We're testing it sa outside world.
Yeah, now look at that.
What's that?
Up in the tree. So high.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, this is cool.
Dito na kami sa tricycle.
See, we have a family there. We have going red.
Ito yung nasa
I want to go to school.
aming limousine.
I want to go to
Tricycle limousine.
I want to go to school.
School daw. Okay, doon lang naman kami sa store. May
Like your
tricycle.
last school. Like your
Okay.
last
Mga loves, tapos na kami sa Watsons. Ayan na, King, come on, let's go.
Okay, nanay.
Tapos na kami sa Watsons. Binili na namin yung pang-giveaway ni Nanay, ni Buchi. Kaya, eto na yun. Wait lang.
No.
Ayan. So, wait lang, te. Ayan. Tapos nag-sale din si Maybelline na naman. Okay, bili na naman kami ulit. Hello! Yep. Say bye-bye na to, tita. O, diba? Hulaan nyo kung ano yung pang-giveaway ko. May bagong giveaway si Buchi. Ito ba? BYS ba? Joke lang. Sama na, King.
Bye-bye.
Bye! So, pupunta na kami sa Starbucks kasi bibili na kami ng coffee. And, where are we going?
A store.
Pupunta kami sa, bibili kami ng ulam. So, pipizza siguro kami, Greenwich, ganyan. Tingnan natin. What do you wanna eat?
Spaghetti. Look, a small machine ball.
Small machine ball daw. Tingnan natin kung small. Do you have money? Okay, sige. I don't have coins.
Here. Right there. Only one now.
Here, dalan ko kung may coin ako. Oh, I have one. Ah, careful ah. Yan, ayaw talaga magpaawat ni Kungkung. Sige nga. More. Twist pa. There you go. Woo! Only one? Slowly.
I got almost one. I want to eat
say to nanay?
Thank you, Nanay.
Okay, let's go. So, tapos na si Kung Kung sa kanyang chocolate. So, we will really buy na ngayon the food na kasi si Papay lang dun sa bahay. Ang ganda ng effect ng ano ha, no makeup, pero may makeup pa. Ano lang, para lang siyang lip tint lang ginawa ko dyan. Yung kilay ko, diba, may improvement na mga loves. O, diba? Yun na, go muna kami mga loves. Wait na. Kasi dali. Hi mga loves, we are here sa Pizza Hut. Ayun o. What are you doing? So, nag-haul kami sa French Baker mga loves. Ang dami naming hinol. Ayan. Tapos ngayon, order kami ng pizza para sa aming dinner. Sa bahay na kasi si Papa yung nandun. Ay, hindi. Check out. Hindi nga. What are you eating? Donut. Donut. Yun na. Mga loves, still waiting for the pizza. Kasi 20 minutes pa daw. O, diba? Nag-improve na talaga akong kilay. Feel ko lang talaga. Say something. What can you say? Are you beautiful? You're pangit. See, your teeth, pangit ang teeth, pangit nose, pangit everything. You're not good girl. Are you a good girl? Hindi siya good girl mga loves. Oh my gosh. Uy, bumili pala ako today ng mga pang giveaway mga loves. So, abangan nyo sa aking mga next vlogs dahil mag-giveaway na naman si Bubuchang. So, hopefully, magustuhan nyo itong mga giveaway kasi kung ano yung binili ko para sa self ko, binili ko din para sa inyo. O, diba? So, sana magustuhan nyo mga loves yung magiging giveaway ko sa inyo. Ano ba yan? Si Pumba.
I got you this.
Naano ko talaga itong makeup ko today mga loves kasi simple lang siya. Na-appreciate ko. Magaling na ako konti. Big na aking face. After dito sa Pizza Hut, punta muna kami ng Starbucks. Bili na naman kami ng coffee. Wala na naman pala si Buchi kasi naubos na. So, wait na naman tayo sa next window natin mga loves. Pero lang talaga ang buhay. Sunod ay hindi na ako pwedeng mag-gasto ng gas.
Frozen, like frozen.
It's good.
No, you out.
Pinelo sa loob mo ba yun? Hello, Pungking. So, tapos na kami dito sa Starbucks mga loves. Wait na lang kami. 12 na naman to si Kung Kung mga loves. Ay, nako. Ayun, so tapos na kami dito sa Starbucks mga loves. Kaantay na lang kami sa grab namin na matapos siya. Who's that?
I'll choose you.
Okay, you sit down first. Kaya mag-wait na tayo kay Kuya Driver. So kami... No. Later na. Hi mga loves! We are back home and hi! Boy Pilas is here. Wala siyang damit. But feeling talaga macho si Boy Pilas. And kung remove your shoes.
Boy Pilas.
Sige na. So we are going to eat na mga loves. So gutom. So ito na yung aming na-order na haul na pagkain. So ito sa Pizza Hut. Binili ko yung ito, barbecue chicken. And, chan-charan! Pizza! Nag-order na ako sa French Baker ng maraming, garlic toast, croissant. Ito, ganda na yun, yung mukhang brownie. Okay, and ito na yun namin sa Starbucks kanina. Green tea. Kaya Papay naman is cafe latte. So, let's eat! Oh, yan. Napasok na ni Kung Kung yung shoes. Hi, Boy Pilas. Ano ginawa mo dito sa bahay magdamag?
I got finish that.
Mag-aaral. Nakalagout na ka? Okay. So, kain muna kami. What happened? Oh, you eat na.
Pizza.
You eat pizza.
I want to drink it.
You wanna drink it?
Oh, what?
Ayan, big. Meow chicken. Slowly ha, mag-share. Share tanan. Okay? Kaya kanina ka na mo lingkod. Ay, eat na kami, guys. So, eat muna kami, mga loves. Later. So, this is Kongkong's camera.
No, these princesses.
Huh? You show them.
Look, I see.
How are you gonna use it?
They did it inside the camera like this.
Like that.
I need to check out the wall. Like this.
I cannot see you. There.
I'm here.
Okay, so, yun muna tayo.
We got surprise for Papa. How to drink it?
Sabala na siya magbuhat ng statement. Alam niyo mag-sentence mga loves in
Finish.
English. Very good, very good.
What?
So,
Very good.
Where's our surprise for Popeye?
Here.
You show them. Yan. Okay, this is for Popeye's Father's Day. Te, ayusin na, te. Popeye's Father's Day special. Okay. You give Popeye, be. Let's see, be.
Ta-da! Letter B.
Okay, Popeye, you open it.
Open it.
Sige na lang, Nika. Kung si Popeye surprise.
Is it?
No, no picking.
Okay, so we have Popeye surprise.
Look at this.
What's that? Ayun. Okay, so yay! Kasi walang ano si Popeye. Wala siyang
Yes.
yeah, kasi wala siyang ano
Right.
te.
We got another piece in there. Another one.
Ayun.
Thank you.
So what's that you open kanang sa smell? Sige, you smell it, Popeye. Napay toothpick si Boy Pilas. Ay, gida-gida. You open it, Popeye. Hindi mo talan. Pang lalaki. Then ang isa dahil Atlantis. Muna ako, unisex na siya. So muna siya akong ginagamit tong high school ko.
I got the nose.
What?
Face.
What na? Dagan nagma-in love sa imo ni. I love you.
Thank you, honey.
Love you. Mwah. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, guys. Happy Father's Day to all.
So,
Oh, another book will be on.
ayun, so mga love. Nabigay na namin kay Popeye. Ayun, so nabigay na namin kay Popeye ang gift namin sa Father's Day. Actually, it's an additional gift sa Popeye kasi mabaho siya. Go, class! Kasi wala pa siyang mga cologne, perfume. So, dati binigyan niya ako ng ganon. Tapos ngayon hindi na ako binibigyan ni Popeye ng mga cologne. Bakit kaya? So, nagpapalamdam lang, bes.
Please, Papa, I need also.
What are you doing? Okay, so yun mga loves. So, aga. So, yun mga loves. So, say bye-bye na for this vlog. For this family vlog. Ulitin mo. So, yun. At what are you doing? What are you doing, on? Ayan na, ang daming trabaho ni Papa. Meron pa siyang sa MacBook, meron pa siyang sa Facebook. MacBook and Facebook. Okay, guys. Say bye-bye, guys. Wala na, ay nag-call. Sin-check ko mga loves if meron ba siyang babae.
What are you doing?
Fine.
Papa, time to picture.
Okay.
Okay, mga loves, it's time to say goodbye. Bye na. Bye-bye na. Hala, nag-picture pa.
goodbye.
Say goodbye na, te.
On the camera.
So, bye-bye na kayo mga loves sa next vlog na naman. Ako, hindi na naman ako na-focus. Ayun. Bye-bye na kayo mga loves sa next vlog na naman. Vlog. Bye, guys. Love you. Hi, mga loves. It's actually already 11:44 in the evening and I just want to share with you guys super duper na amazing na blessed talaga ako sa testimony ni Ate Lindsay. Hi Ate Lindsay, I am not sure if you're watching my vlogs, but if you're watching this, I just want to let you know how blessed I am sa nabasa kong testimony sa inyo dito sa Facebook. Ate Lindsay, it's actually one of my coaches nung nasa North Life pa ako nung sa Davao. And together with Coach Matt, yung missionary sila sa Davao sa SLBC, Spirit Life Bible College at that time. Tapos ngayon nasa States na sila and they are having a ministry doon at meron na din silang church, then pastor na din sila doon. And I'm just so very thankful na dahil kahit nandun sila sa States, from time to time, they visit the Philippines and they have missions here and every time na I read yung sa page niya or dun sa wall ni Ate Lindsay sa FB, I'm really, really blessed. And I really wanna share these to you guys because everyone is experiencing this kind of struggle sa life nila spiritually, emotionally, physically, and I'm just so very blessed about this. So sabi dito, sabi natin Lindsay, I went to one of the stores here in Reading this week to grab something really quick. In the midst of that, I began to sense God's presence strongly. He told me that I was going to meet a woman who was 90% blind from her right eye and gave me the name Grace, the year 1990, and Disneyland. So I stopped at an aisle where I got the stuff I was going to get when a lady passed by. Sabi niya, "Hi, excuse me, my name is Lindsay. You don't know me, but does the name Grace mean anything to you?" Sabi ng babae, "Yes, that's my daughter's name. Do you know her?" Sabi natin Lindsay, "No, I don't. God told me that I was going to meet someone today who was 90% blind in her right eye, told me the name Grace, the year 1990, and Disneyland. Do these mean anything to you?" Sabi ng babae, "Yes, 1990 was when Grace was born, and we went to Disneyland last year for our family vacation, and I am 90% blind on my right eye. How did you know?" So long story short, I prayed for her right eye, and her visibility improved. It went down to 30%. She was able to read the letters on the cereal box she was holding. She was crying and didn't know what to do, and I didn't either. So I told her about Jesus, and she received him. The crazy part is that her daughter had been going to church and encouraging her to go, but she didn't want to for many reasons until this very moment. So, at Lindsay, sabi niya, "I was a wreck. When we parted ways, I began to thank God for His faithfulness, that He meets us where we are at even in our unbelief. So I'm releasing this testimony to anyone who is believing for healing in their bodies, and to anyone who is believing for family members to know the Lord, no matter how long you've been waiting. God is faithful. So I declare, do it again. Do it again, God. Amen." So, mga loves, I'm really very blessed about the testimony, and I received the healing, Lord, in Jesus' name. Because I know, for me, I have PCOS, and I received the healing. I believe and speak in the name of Jesus that I will be healed. And also, sa lahat ng mga tao dyan sa lahat sa inyo, yung mga family members niyo who doesn't know God at all, that you wanted them to know God and feel God in their lives, I release faithfulness, and I pray for you in the name of Jesus, that they will know Jesus, they will know God. And God is so faithful. I believe in God. And I'm so thankful for this, Ate Liz. Thank you so much. I just want this one to share to you guys. And I know that there are also other people who are really struggling in their faith, especially ang mga katulad ko na nag-backslide, or we know God, but then hindi na nag-church, really struggling for how many years na. I really want to go to church, and it's not
There are so many reasons, tama, but then if I really want to rebuild the relationship that I had with the Lord. So yun. Hopefully mga loves, you are also blessed with the message. Yun lang. Thank you mga loves. So ulitin ulit. Hindi naman sa lahat na always happy tayo. Hindi naman sa lahat na always very parang comedy lang lahat or very normal lang, no? But yun lang mga loves. Maraming salamat. I believe in this testimony and thank you so much, Jesus. Thank you mga loves. Bye-bye.
T-bone. Binalikan talaga namin to para sa ribs. Not so lang. Ano naman?
Let Papa have to do this, please. Please. Please, Papa.
Wait lang.
Siligang na lang. Okay, ito yung sa akin.
Dapat makungkungan din.
Samantingan niya sa alis sa sabaw na ba niya? And anong lasa? Masarap?
Sarap.
Good na kasi. Di ba sabaw? Okay. Nasa vacation lang kami mga loves. Parang nasa Ilocos pero wala na. Sa Rizal lang pala kami. Sarap ng lutong bahay nila.
I got a coin.
Ay naku, dirty na yan ate.
No way.
Tsaka masarap itong mga prep. Tsaka itong ano ni Boy Pilas. Ang daming gatas. Masarap, creamy. Ano ang pagkatimply mo honey? Diba? Masarap. Very good.